In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a field in Jotform. Duplicating a field is a quick way to reuse a question without rebuilding it from scratch, and it helps keep your form consistent when you need multiple versions of the same input. Start by opening Jotform and heading into Form Builder. From your dashboard, select the form you want to edit so it opens in the Builder view. You'll see your live form on the canvas, along with the usual editing controls. There's no need to create a new form for this. We're simply editing the one you already have. Next, find the field you want to duplicate. Scroll through your form until you see it. If your form is long, take a moment to collapse any sections you don't need to view, or use the outline panel if you have it visible to jump quickly. Make sure you're selecting the exact question or field type you intend to copy. Text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more can all be duplicated. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over that field. A small floating toolbar will appear either above the field or to its right, depending on your layout. Look for the duplicate field icon, which looks like two overlapping squares, and click it. Instantly, Jotform creates a copy of that field directly below the original, with the same label, options, and settings carried over. If you need more than one copy, you can click the duplicate icon again as many times as you like. You can also grab the new field and drag it to a different position if it belongs elsewhere in your form. Now customize the duplicated field so it makes sense in context. Click the copied field to select it. Update the label or question text to reflect what you're asking. This avoids confusion if the original and the copy have similar names. If the field has options, such as a drop-down or multiple choice, edit those choices to fit your scenario. Adjust placeholders to guide users on what to type, and review validation rules like whether the field is required, character limits, or specific formats such as email. The important thing to remember is that the duplicated field is completely separate from the original, so changes to one won't affect the other. This means you can safely tweak settings on the copy without worrying about undoing your initial setup. That's it. Duplicating fields can save you time, keep your form consistent, and reduce mistakes. When you're satisfied, give your form a quick preview to confirm everything looks and behaves the way you expect.